Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1A, Basic Words in Urdu. This is a part of our lessons 100 Key Words in Urdu. Let's start it. Our first word is ka. Ka. This is a two-letter word with k and a. And this is used to represent apostrophe s. It means to show your belongings. And ka is used to show belongings of a noun that is masculine singular. For example, son. So if you want to say Ali's son, so we will say Ali ka beta. Son is beta. Ali ka beta. Sarah's house. House is a masculine singular noun. Please remember in Urdu, all nouns have gender. Sarah's house. So house is a noun, but this is masculine singular noun. Sarah's house. Sara ka ghar. Sara ka ghar. Similarly, we can use ka for father, brother, husband. So these are masculine people, and if you know more masculine word or for example nouns, more words, then you can also use ka. Ki. This is the same word used for feminine singular noun as well as plural nouns. For example, Ali's car. Now car is also car in Urdu sometimes, but the word is gadi and this is a feminine noun. So we will say Ali ki gadi. You can also say Ali ki car. Plural, Ali's cars, Ali ki gaadiyan. So gadi singular, gaadiyan. Ali ki gaadiyan. Sarah's daughter. Sara ki beti. Beta is son, beti daughter. Sara ki beti. Ke. This is the same word used for plural. Ali's clothes. Now clothes is a plural noun, so we will say Ali ke kapde. 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 This is plural noun. Sarah's shoes. Sara ke joote. Joote. Shoes. Joote. Next word is and we call it hai. Hai. This is Ali. Ye Ali hai. In Urdu, the structure of sentence is that subject comes in the start, then we have object and verb is always at the end. So in English, it looks like this Ali is. Ye Ali hai. Ye Ali hai. May. May. May means in. In. The water is in the glass. In the glass. Pani, water. Glass is glass. May, in. Hai, is. Pani, glass में है. पानी ग्लास में है. पानी ग्लास में है. में. And or. Ali and Sarah, we will say like Ali or Sarah. This is not or English or. This is Urdu or, and it means and. Ali or Sarah. Mom and dad, Ammi or Baba. We can also say Abbu, Ammi or Abbu, or you can say Ammi or Baba. Our next word is say. Say. Say means to. School to home. School is school. Home is ghar. School से घर. School से घर. Home to school. घर से school. School से घर. Say. Next word is को. Ko. Ko means to. For example, give it to him. Give it to him. Him is us. So give it to him, usko. To him means usko. Give, do, or with respect we say they. You can choose anyone. It depends on whom you are talking to. Usko do, or you can say usko de. Usko de. Usko de. Ne. Ne. In another context, ne is used as like ko. That means to. For example, we don't have any preposition. You can't see any preposition here in this small sentence. She said. But in Urdu, we say उसने कहा. उसने कहा. So it means it looks like she said to someone. उसने कहा. उसने कहा. She did it. उसने किया. उसने किया. उसने कहा. उसने किया. किया means do something in past tense. She did something or he did something. For both she and he we use उसने. उसने कहा, she said. उसने किया, she did or he did. Ne. Very common word in Urdu, this, and for these we use ye. 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 Is, we have just learned, it is hai. Hai. For R, we say n sound at the end. Hai. Hai. And for am, we always say hai. 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 If we want to make a sentence with this is and the object at the end, remember in Urdu sentence, object will be in the middle and this is will be at the end. If you are talking about a singular thing, like this is a chair. For example, you have just learned a word car, that is gadi. This is car. You can say ye gadi hai. Ye gadi hai. For plural, these are cars. So we will say ye, object in the middle, and hain at the end. Ye गाड़ियाँ हैं. ये गाड़ियाँ हैं. These are cars. ये गाड़ियाँ हैं. Whenever we start one sentence with I, that is मैं, we will finish with हूँ. हूँ. मैं हूँ. I am. मैं is I. Remember, we just learned one word, may, that is in. Remember, please, these are two different pronunciations. For in, we say may. For I, we say मैं. मैं, I, may, in.